In front of me is Realme P1 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Settings, scroll down to tap on Apps, select Default Apps and hit Home app. Then apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Select Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, or for example adjust some of its options, you can always go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, just go into Devices Settings again, select Default Apps and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!